Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to restore some lawn chairs that are made out of composite wood and also bring them back to life. These I found on the side of the road. They're basically out for trash. It looks like a dog or some type of animal bit all over them, and they're pretty bad, as you can see through the walkthrough. I'll show you how to do this with simple tools. I have a belt sander here with 80 grit belt sandpaper, a hand sander which also has 80 grit, and then also I'm going to be using a torch, which you could just use a lighter as well too. It's probably just going to take you a lot longer. But have a look and see how we can do this. Bring it back to life. As you can see, the material itself is very forgiving, so feel free to go a little heavy on it. You really won't damage anything. Worst case, you'll just end up reshaping it to something different. Once you've created a nice smoother shape, you can go ahead and use a hand sander. I'm also using 80 grit on this, and just to kind of be a little bit more gentle with it. Feel free to clean up any other areas that you want to smooth out for whatever reason. And once you're there, I'll finally show you a nice cool trick to finally get it to look and match like the rest of the material itself. As you can see here, it's very white, and you want to kind of get it to match this. Any torch will do. Even a little handheld lighter works for this also. Be very gentle with it. And obviously you'll start exposing other areas that have pits. You can then grab your sander again and kind of get to it where you can smooth it out. As you can see now, it's starting to match, and it's a lot smoother than it was before. Once you've applied the heat and you've matched the color, feel free to give them just a really good wash. And they'll basically look just as good as new. Someone's trash, somebody else's really nice lawn furniture. There you go. Looks just as good as new.
I hope you got some benefit from this quick tutorial. Looking forward to getting some feedback. Feel free to like, share, and even subscribe. Thank you for watching.